Okay, this is my house. That's my light. That's my ceiling. That's my cap. That's my lamp. That's my window. That's my curtain. This is my couch. This is my pillow. This is my watch. That's my snake. This is my shoe. That's my TV. This is my remote. This is my coffee. That's my spit can. And that's my maid. And this is California.